We're afraid to fail. We hesitate, overthink, and hold back because failing means we weren't good enough, right? Wrong. If you're scared of failure, you're actually scared of success. Let me tell you why. When we were kids, failing was just part of learning. We fell, we got up, we tried again. No one told us we were failing at walking, we were just learning. But somewhere along the way, we started believing that failure meant stop. That mistakes meant you're not meant for this. And that is the biggest lie we've been told. Michael Jordan missed over 9,000 shots in his career. Steve Jobs got fired from his own company. Oprah was told she wasn't fit for TV. If failure was truly the end, we wouldn't even know their names today. You know what separates them from everyone else? They didn't let failure define them. They let it refine them. Here's the hard truth. If you're not failing, you're not trying hard enough. Failure isn't a stop sign, it's a checkpoint. It's life asking, how bad do you want this? Every time you fail, you learn. Every mistake refines your craft. Every no gets you closer to the right yes, but only if you keep going. So the next time you fail, don't run from it. Sit with it. Learn from it. Let it shape you. Because failure isn't the opposite of success. It's the foundation of it. Now go fail and then go succeed. Until next time, bye.